Hello, boys and girls. My name is Aязбаев Аян. I am a teacher of Қаракемер school. Welcome to our online English lesson. Today's our new theme is fun places. Today we will learn the names of different fun places. Okay, children, let's start our lesson with new words. Repeat after me, children. Cinema. Cinema. Кинотеатр. Park. Park. Саябақ. Good job, children. Sports center. Sports center. Спорт орталығы. Skating ring. Skating ring. Мұз айдыны. Excellent, children. Market. Market. Нарық. Okay, children, let's watch a video. Okay, children, it was a great video. Children, I have a question for you. Could you answer me, please? What fun place was in this video? Think, please. Great. It was a park. Okay, children, open your pupils book. Let's do the task. Exercise 2, page 109. Where do you like going in your free time? Choose and talk with your friend. For example, I like going to the park in my free time. Okay, let's do, children. Excellent, children. Do you like this lesson? I hope you like. Home task is exercise 4. The lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Назарларыңызға рахмет.